Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be taking y'all hiking today with me. I don't think I'm going to have much commentary, but we'll see how it goes. And yeah, just follow me along. I don't know if I said that we're going hiking on Long Island at Sands Point Conservatory. So we'll see. This is my first time. We'll see how hard the track is. The track. What? The trail. I'm already tired. Is that the city? What is that?
Now we need to find where that is.
Oh wow, people sitting down on the thing. It's right here. This is nice. looks like a low-key beach. All right. Wow. Nah, but is that the city? I don't know. What is that?
It looks like it, right? But the city ain't that like that's like a handful of buildings.
So I am at the beach section. I know I said I wasn't going to do commentary, but this is just too beautiful not to show. And I'm wondering, what are these buildings all the way over there? Y'all see that? Yeah, I don't know what that is. But this is beautiful. I'm not going to lie. I'm not really a hiking person, but we doing it today. I see my shades looking like Ray Charles. Yeah. This looks like a trail too. I'm not gonna lie. Looks like a hill, but yeah, this is beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. Not really liking the walking on sand with sneakers type of vibes. What are y'all opinions on walking on sand with sneakers? Because I prefer sandals. Look at them. Whoa. Whoa, he just fell off. Wow. What is that? Like, what is this?